Ever wondered how those dazzling, glowing signs illuminate our cities? Or how those mesmerizing plasma globes create those otherworldly effects? The answer lies in a truly unique element, neon. But here's the thing, you won't find neon just lying around on the ground. This element is a bit of a recluse, hiding out in some unexpected places. So, today, we're on a mission to uncover the secrets of neon. Where exactly is this elusive element hiding? Let's start with the big picture. Neon isn't exactly abundant here on Earth. In fact, it's incredibly rare in our atmosphere. You'll find trace amounts, sure, but nothing significant. Now, let's zoom out a bit. Neon is actually more common in the vast expanse of space. It's a relatively abundant element in the universe, particularly in those massive, gaseous giants like Jupiter and Saturn. These planets essentially act as giant reservoirs for neon. But where does it all begin? Well, like most elements, neon is born in the fiery furnaces of stars. During the process of stellar nucleosynthesis, hydrogen atoms fuse together, creating heavier elements like helium, carbon, and eventually, neon. Now, here's where things get explosive. When a massive star reaches the end of its life, it undergoes a spectacular supernova. This cosmic explosion scatters the elements forged within the star's core across the vastness of space. Neon, along with other elements, is flung out into the universe, ready to become part of new stars, planets, and even life itself. So, how does this cosmic journey bring neon to Earth? Well, over millions of years, the remnants of these stellar explosions, including neon, become incorporated into the formation of new stars and planetary systems. In the case of Earth, some of this neon became trapped within our planet's atmosphere during its early formation. But the most significant source of neon on Earth is actually found deep beneath our feet. Neon is often found trapped within natural gas deposits. As natural gas is extracted from the ground, neon is separated as a byproduct during the purification process. And that's how we harness the power of this elusive element. Neon, once a cosmic mystery, is now used in a variety of ways. Illumination, those iconic neon signs that adorn our cities? They rely on the unique glow emitted by neon gas when an electric current passes through it. Lasers, neon plays a crucial role in the development of powerful lasers used in various scientific and industrial applications. Cryogenics, due to its extremely low boiling point, neon is used in cryogenic cooling systems, essential for technologies like MRI machines. So, the next time you see a dazzling neon sign or marvel at the glow of a plasma globe, remember the incredible cosmic journey that brought this element to Earth. From the heart of exploding stars to the depths of our planet, neon's story is a testament to the interconnectedness of the universe. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.